For this one, there are two different ways you can consider doing this. They're asking us to determine the difference in square miles between the area of one state and the area of the other state. Now you need a little bit of life knowledge for this, and you need to know your vocabulary. So the difference means subtract. So I'll just put this up here. And you do need to know that Texas is the bigger state. So you've got 2.69 times 10 to the fifth. And then your Rhode Island, we'll do that in red, is our smaller state, tiny. So we have 1.21 times 10 to the third. Now, most students have settled upon changing each of these out of scientific notation. Just keep in mind it does say put your answer in scientific notation. That's okay, you can do that at the end. So 2.69 times 10 to the fifth would turn into, moving your decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you'll fill that in with 3 zeros. So you have your 269,000 minus. Now the reason we're doing this is because your exponents do need to be the same. So you either need to change them to be the same or you need to change them to regular numbers and then pop them back. So the second one would be 1, 2, 3. You'll pop in 1 0 and you'll have 1, 2, 1 0. So really what you're doing is you're doing 269,000 minus 1,210. And you can do your subtraction. You can either do your subtraction with borrowing or you could reach for a calculator. It's okay, either way you choose to do it. And I come up with 267,790. So I'll put that in black. 267,790. And you are not in scientific notation right now. Right now, your decimal point is right here. So your job right now is to change it to scientific notation. Remember, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want a final number between 1 and 10. So you'll have 2.68 approximately. And that would be times 10 to the, and you want to just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've moved it over to the left 5. It's a big number. Because you're going to a big number, you keep it positive. If it was a tiny number, it'd be negative.